MS58-2020D13M4 is a miniaturized 5.8 GHz radar sensor module launched by Shenzhen MoreSense Technology Co. Limited by detecting objects' movement in the region by frequent difference between the transmitting and receiving signals Doppler principle, or high-frequency electromagnetic waves, which is not affected by ambient temperature, humidity, airflow, dust, noise, brightness, and had strong anti-jamming capability. The sensor signal can penetrate glass, acrylic, and other non-metallic materials. Let's see how to use the UART software to adjust parameters such as sensing distance and delay time. High-performance radar IC MCU LDO power supply adjustment, light sensor, antenna area, radar. Use your UART software. Choose right com. Set baud rate 9600. Set parity bit none. Set data bit 8 bits. Set stop bit 1 bit. Set flag drill none. Last step, open the COM. Now we could send an inquiry command to check module's preliminary settings. Set new command of new distance and delay time as your requirement. Last step, remember to save parameter with command.